Hi guys, okay, it's been a little longer than I planned for in between uploads. My dog is eating beside me as well. That's the noises you might be hearing, but I'm gonna put background music in this whole thing so you won't hear it. But first, before anything, I know we are so close to hitting 300 subscribers, so when we do, I'm doing a giveaway. With that being said, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. I typically do reaction videos, funny reaction videos, a bunch of different things, and I sometimes do beauty videos. Now, I would never be a beauty YouTuber because that is not me, but I have worked, I've done like makeup artist jobs and stuff, and I love that if it's like for expression. My face looks super oily, but I did just go on a run, sorry. But I actually did a test strand, and it's a very pastel pink. So over COVID, this craziness has been going on. I have been letting my hair grow out. Now, I already had really choppy like unevenness because this was all so dead. Like at one point all my hair was like up to here from damage, and so I know like people will probably say like, oh my god, look at that, but literally I have to just keep it as even as possible until it grows out enough to evenly cut it. But when I go like this, as much as that looks nuts, it is pretty alright. And my hair also has been up in a bun, but I have to take it down for this. So first things first, I am not bleaching this. I want my natural hair to grow in. I actually really miss having it, but I still like having fun, so I'll probably change this quite often, and I'm assuming this will fade pretty quick. I'm not sure though, I haven't used this one. So the brand I'm using is the BTZ Color Jamz. I've gotten them at Sally Beauty. I actually worked there for a while, and they were each, well, I did have a reward, but they were each, $5.23, but I guess normally they're $5.99. But it's a rather big bottle. I got the Color Jamz Pastel, Chic and pink, because I don't want to look crazy. When I was younger, pink is one of the consistent colors I've had throughout my hair. I might actually do a video literally reacting to pictures and videos of my bad hair throughout the years. Like 2 years ago, a lot of things happened, and I like dyed my hair bright blue, but I didn't know how hard it would be to get out. So I was bleaching it constantly, and it was just turning into like a lighter blue, but some of it wouldn't lift, and it was just horrific. Anyway, so I got 2 of these bad boys, but even from doing the test strand, I don't see me needing both, but I will keep it for another one. This is one that I used, obviously, but it looks thick, and it also doesn't look like much, but it is a lot. So before we put the dye on though, what you'll want to have, now if you're doing bleach, okay, so I know I just said I'm not bleaching my hair anymore, but if I do, I will upload it. I just love going nuts with my hair sometimes, but this is actually a bleach shirt I worked at Old Navy as well for a while. I should talk about the places I worked, but like see the bleach stains from like, I would put it on my, just like leave it on. I'm gonna swap my favorite X-Men shirt out for this, and then, oh my gosh, she's under my feet chewing on this donut thing. Brush it out so I can see how even it is. I see your toy. You wanna say hi, Cassie? You wanna say hi to everybody? Oh, you wanna say hello? Say hello, guys. Oh, thank you. Yeah, okay, so anyway, ew. Whoa. Yeah, he's down there. So I have the brush to brush it out so you can make sure it's going on even. You wanna make sure your hair is clean and also dry. You don't need developer with this, any semi-permanent you don't. I actually know a lot about doing hair, it's just I don't really like to do my own because it's not as fun. But then I have this comb too to go through, and then I'm gonna use these already pink hair ties so they don't stain them, and I'm gonna put the hair ties around the points where I want. My idea before I start this is gonna be to do 6 hair ties. So I'm gonna cut my hair, like not cut, but I put it down there, and do like 2 hair ties. So you can see that baby pink there. Oh, what's up? Anyway, and then 2 more. And then my bangs I'll do separately, which there's not much blonde left on them because it's basically grown out finally. All right, guys, let me get my hair brushed and separate, and then we'll be right back. weirdest I thought I would ever look on the internet. But yeah, so I got it brushed out. It's not parted any specific way. Honestly, I don't really know what's happening, but yeah, this is such a pretty color. I'm excited, but I'm scared it's gonna wash out quick. I'm just gonna have somebody double check that I got, well, this is like not gonna be, but most of the blonde part of it in there, and then just start going. I know I should have done more small sections. Brad Mondo, I love your videos. Please don't roast me, and hopefully this looks okay. So apparently it is all in there, all the fried little crispy pieces. Let me see if I turn around. You guys see that craziness? I don't even know what it looks like, but it doesn't matter. So I might cut all my hair like short. I'm really feeling it because I want it to be healthy. Anyway, so if I'm being weird, I'm gonna fast forward again while I'm putting the color on. I'll show you guys the first time, but I wanna make you sit through that whole time. But I'm listening to the Rolling Stones because I don't wanna get copyright hit. So I'm doing, like, it's playing though, where you guys, I was listening to Painted Black. But oh yeah, okay, so just so you guys know, also my dog has been going nuts. But now I'm gonna start just by putting it, I'll probably do yeah, let's just do that, you guys. So bear with me. I actually took a small piece out of this one because I just wanted to see. There's so much dead stuff. I'm gonna give it a trim again when I'm done. But I wanted to show you guys. So I literally just like squeeze them out. It's pretty runny consistency, but shockingly enough, it does stay on. Now, I know you probably think I'm crazy doing this in my room, but I have a trash can under me, and I also have towels everywhere. But basically, I'm gonna need to do a lot of color in order for this to even do anything. So let's just fast forward through all this, and I'll show you guys how long it takes. Let's fast forward. I'll do it double and a half. All right, guys, let's get into this. got that in. Hopefully that'll be cut down to like 2 minutes of time. Okay, so I will say 2 things. Yes, I did like rather thick sectioning, but and also this hair is extremely damaged that I'm putting it into. That's why I'm not bleaching this guy's stuff anymore. But it's weird because like it's not really penetrating parts of my hair. And I thought it was just like the way I wasn't maybe putting enough. But I am more than like I'm covered in pink hair dye. Cash, stop it, buddy. So I'm gonna actually, it says to leave it on for 20 minutes. I'm probably gonna do a 25-minute period. Honestly. Wow. Also, I'm gonna coat some more in. But yeah, I'm gonna sit for probably 25 minutes. And I'll be back with you guys and show you if it looks darker or not. I just know how light it is. See there, like, it's still blonde. I know it needs time like to go in, but still. I know this probably isn't gonna make a difference. People are probably like so disgusted that I'm doing this, but I don't care. I'm gonna try to take it out. Alright guys, so I'll be back in 25 minutes and show you guys what it looks like then and how it looks rinsed out and styled. And then dried. Alright, I'll see you soon. Cash, what are you doing? Okay guys, so we got about 11 minutes left. It is pink. I swear that I coated it with literally almost a whole bottle and it's just not really penetrating that well. But luckily I'll go in a better light after I like rinse it out and show you guys. But it's just kind of frustrating because I don't want like cotton candy pink, but I like it. Oh, I got those earrings today too. They're stars and moons. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I actually put a little bit of makeup on. I'm shocked that I only did powder, which I usually use like makeup, but I love this pink. It is very light. I would be careful when washing. Definitely I would put in conditioners and stuff, but I would most likely also go ahead and like buy a like leave-in mask conditioner with a light pink. But I do like it. My hair feels healthy. I'm about to chop it soon, but if you guys are still watching this at this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys soon.